Wait, you're saying your ex-wife and your children were killed?
Yes, including my sister.
While you're on probation?
Yes.
So your ex-wife, your children, and your sister were killed?
Including my nieces.
All right, your nieces, your ex-wife, your sister, and your children?
Yes.
All right, then let's do that. 2 CR 0273, State versus Louis Thompson. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Bania for the state of Texas.
Benny Callahan, defense.
And are you Mr. Thompson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Louis Fletcher Thompson who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 0273 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on February 10, 2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, a violation of condition number 48 on or about the 16th day of January 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Louis Fletcher Thompson, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant failed to participate in the Safe-P Continuum of Care by not attending his outpatient intake date in violation of condition number 48.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the other violation, Your Honor.
Any objection to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
Revoke his community supervision, enter the affirmative finding of deadly weapon, and sentence the defendant to 5 years TDC.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Bearing in mind that he's got some mental health issues that are permanent and not his own volition, I ask the court to follow the recommendations made by the probation officer and give him a third chance. He wants to tell you that he was attempting to obey the terms of probation and was partially successful, but not 100% successful. I think he wants to talk to the court himself.
All right, Jonah, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Louis Thompson.
Yes, and what do you wish to tell me?
Yeah, I poured in at least 4 or 5 months, and I tried this time. I promise I did. I did not want to let myself down or you down.
All right, so I don't understand what you tried mean.
No, what I'm saying, I poured in like at least 4 or 5 months, and then I got homeless again because my ex-wife never came home that day.
Wait, did you catch that? This just went from a routine probation violation to a claim of multiple murders in the same family. If true, it changes everything. If not, it could completely destroy his credibility in seconds.
She got killed, including my kids. And it's true.
Wait, you're saying your ex-wife and your children were killed?
Yes, including my sister.
While you're on probation?
Yes.
So your ex-wife, your children, and your sister were killed?
Including my nieces.
All right, your nieces, your ex-wife, your sister, and your children?
Yes.
All right, then let's do this. That should be easy to verify. If you will give the names to your counsel, and we'll Google.
Please.
All right. So just have a seat, and we'll see what's going on with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, we're back on the record in 2022 CR 0273, State versus Louis Thompson.
Google search of all names.
And here's something you don't see every day. The judge pauses the courtroom for a real-time fact check. No long investigation, no delay, just a quick search to test the story. Because in court, credibility is everything. And once it cracks, everything else falls apart.
Didn't reveal any murders of those people within the age range I was told.
All right, so I'm being told that there's no...
I don't remember the age, but it's true.
Well, I mean, there's nothing on the system that said that these people are dead.
So the guy that was homeless told me that.
I'm sorry, what?
They told me that, man. I'm not playing, but it's true.
Who told you that?
Well, because after I got homeless, my ex-wife never came home that day.
So who told you she was dead?
The police, because I'm telling you, it's true. Because I called I called them and told them that she never came home, or two of my daughters.
And so
So
are
I'm
you
just don't-
assuming they're dead or you know they're dead?
Well, I'm going by what they told me. I'm assuming.
Well, you're saying that the police told you they were dead?
Yeah, no, I did a missing
Person?
yeah,
So your ex-wife is missing.
and two of my son, two of my daughters, and my sister is nothing. Is I can't get a hold of her. You know why? Because y'all don't let me. Because I can't talk to her till I get off probation. So I don't know. Because I mean, I
All
just
right,
don't know.
defense, do you want to obtain an investigator to see if these people are, as he said, have been murdered?
Please do, please.
Your Honor, I'm not understanding how that would affect your decision to revoke or not revoke.
I mean, he's, according to what he's pled true to, which is 48, it's saying that he didn't attend outpatient intake date. And I am thinking, and maybe I'm wrong in making this assumption, that if you have a date for outpatient treatment, intake date, and if your ex-wife is murdered, your children are murdered, your niece is murdered, your sister is murdered, that may impact someone's ability to make their outtake appointment. But if both parties want to go forward, we can go forward. But I'm telling you,
This is a legal turning point. The judge makes it clear extraordinary claims require proof. Without evidence, the court can't and won't treat this as a valid excuse. And now, the focus snaps right back to the violation itself.
if all of these people have been murdered, I can understand why he would miss his intake appointment. And I think, State, would you understand?
I would understand. I just, for the record, couldn't find anything to support these allegations.
So I don't know if you want to have an investigator to look and see if these people are deceased or not. If you all want to go forward, then I'll hear. But I mean, I'm not going to take this as true.
Let's see. I want her to make it minister first.
Mr. Thompson requests that you make a decision now.
All right. Then, Mr. Thompson, what has been presented to the court is there is no evidence that any of these people are deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the court.
But I do need help. 'Cause I do want to find out.
No. You're moving from one point to the next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Where I'm at is you said that all of these people are deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
The state has informed the court they're not able to find any records through a Google search that any of these people are deceased. So therefore,
So they're not.
you're saying that these people are deceased. I don't believe it.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm sorry. Give me the choice.
I mean, if you want, I will make sure that your attorney has an investigator to see whether or not these people are deceased or not. Otherwise, if you want to go forward, we can go forward. And I will, as previously stated, I found violation of condition number 48 true. And what I'm going to tell you, based upon testimony that I received, unless these people are deceased, there is no excuse for not meeting your intake appointment. So do y'all wish to go forward?
Go forward, Your Honor.
All right, I need a trial court certification of defendant's rights to be. You'll receive credit for that as well. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Who's next?
Yes, ma'am. I have Charles.